Welcome to Switched On Schoolhouse, a CD-ROM-based homeschool curriculum from Alpha Omega Publications. Switched On Schoolhouse Geometry is a high school math course that is typically included in a 10th grade course of study and includes units on logic, similar polygons, area and volume, transformations, and much more. Now let's take a look at a geometry lesson to see how concepts like these are covered. In a unit entitled Angles and Parallels, let's look at a lesson called Copying Figures. Most Switched On Schoolhouse lessons begin with a brief introduction and a list of objectives for the lesson. These objectives help students stay focused on important lesson content and provide parents with an effective way to measure mastery of lesson content. After this introductory material, your students then move independently through the lesson, reading the text-based instruction and utilizing the multimedia features that have been provided. Auditory learners may benefit from hearing text read aloud as they follow along. To utilize this feature, students select a portion of text, right-click to select from available voices or to read the text. An effective study skill that students should be encouraged to use is highlighting. Just as one would highlight portions of text in a traditional textbook, students can highlight text in their Switched On Schoolhouse lessons. Simply select a portion of text and select a highlighter color from the choices at the top of the page. Math can be a difficult subject to teach, but Switched On Schoolhouse math courses provide text-based instruction interspersed with multimedia examples of difficult-to-grasp skills to assist parents in meeting the academic needs of even their most math-challenged students. A variety of audio-visual presentations, including videos, slideshows, and animations, provide reinforcement of lesson content. Some lessons contain multiple sections. After reading the first section of the lesson, the student can continue on to the next section, reading the text and utilizing the included multimedia. Plenty of examples and solutions provide thorough instruction in the application of difficult math concepts. At the end of the lesson, the student is presented with a series of questions that provide a review of lesson content. In this geometry assignment, students are instructed to print out the construction assignment. After completing each question, the student returns to the SOS lesson. Here they need to indicate whether they viewed the construction video and how many construction problems were in the assignment. In addition, they need to indicate that they have completed all the construction problems. This assignment is then cleared for grading by the parent. The lesson is complete when all questions have been answered correctly or when the student has exhausted his allowed attempts on each question. The student can then return to the home page to continue through the rest of his daily assignments.